Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is when an angry drunk tries to get on a plane. Okay, so let's see what they're talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
February 16th, 2025, officers responded to a call about a disorderly passenger at a TSA checkpoint.
Right now.
Why, sir? Sir. Do me a favor. Just do me a favor. You flying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What airline?
Frontier.
Okay. Plane was unfortunately delayed in there.
What?
Delayed, I think. I'm not too sure.
Delayed? No.
Delayed.
If it ain't Spirit, it's Frontier, man. It's one. Listen, it goes Spirit is the worst. Then you got Frontier, right? And then after that, it'll be like Southwest.
No.
It's still flying out.
No.
A little bit delayed.
You don't tell me that shit. No.
But anyway, do me a favor, just relax, okay? Were you here yesterday or not?
Yeah, I was here later.
What happened?
Most people go on the plane.
Plane was cancelled, or they will. You gonna be able to fly, you think?
Yeah.
Just do me a favor, don't curse at anyone. You do have kids here.
Okay.
Okay? Go ahead, take care of your stuff.
Alright.
Okay?
Tell this mother.
Hey, we got kids here, okay? So do me a favor, chill out. Do you understand that?
What is this? All this stuff. I mean, all this shit.
Go.
Grab your stuff and go down there. But just to let you know, if you act out like that down there, they'll refuse you to board, and then we'll be back. So try to stay calm if you want to get to your destination. Unfortunately, a little patience.
My,
I'm gonna ask you one question.
Okay.
Take it off.
Do it.
Take it off.
Take what off? My uniform?
No, whatever you asking, people, whatever.
No, I'm listening because people are talking and making sure we're okay. Because we told them that we might have an upset person.
They don't want people who is against Trump to drive,
do me a favor.
to get back to New York. They don't want people
Do me a favor.
like that.
Listen to me. What, sir?
They don't like that.
Sir,
Well, grab your stuff, otherwise
Take
you
your
can't
stuff.
get back on.
take your stuff. Let's grab the Frontier.
Yeah, grab your stuff. Frontier is down there on the right.
What?
Let's go to Frontier.
Frontier.
I need to fly back to New York.
Yes, and Frontier.
This guy is so intoxicated, he don't even understand what is going on right here. I'm surprised they're still letting him gonna try to fly with him being that jacked up, because a lot of times they not letting you like that, on the flight. You know what I'm saying? So I think TSA, or not TSA, but the airport cops there, they're actually pretty chill. I think they're pretty chill. But I would not be. Nah, that's, bro, grab your stuff and you can still fly, bro. I'd be like, okay, you guys have a good day. They not messing with you no more. Just be chill. But you gonna cause yourself to get jacked up, okay? You better act right now. You don't want to act right, they gonna get you together. Hey, listen, they some old timers, but hey, don't let it be food now.
My parents, they waiting for me.
Yes.
let the age
Is that
fool you.
is that your luggage?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you need clothes to put on.
Do you want to get?
So what? To get away?
Well, to go to your gate, right?
Signal through.
What you want me to get?
Let's get someone from Frontier to see if he wants it.
You want someone from Frontier?
Is that another bag yours?
Frontier.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get all your bags.
Let's get someone from Frontier.
They fly or not? Yes.
Head on down. C9.
I don't care. I'm voting for Trump.
Let's go.
I voted for Trump.
Okay. So we don't care.
So
Let's go.
I don't care.
We don't care either.
This way. All the way down there.
Have a great
Walk down
Go to
there.
your gate where your flight is.
Trump. I said Trump. Right? Right?
You want to walk to your gate?
No, I said for Trump, right?
We don't care what you voted for. Send something down to the gate.
I'm gonna go down there.
Perfect.
It'll be 10:15 in a minute. He's on your plane
He's
tonight?
on our plane.
So is he gonna be able to fly or?
No, if you're gonna be drunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gonna rebook him?
Yeah, I can. I can.
Okay. So
This will be
basically,
his second time being rebooked.
was it yesterday here?
Yeah, but he missed it by coming late.
Okay. So yesterday you missed it by coming late. So this is, are you gonna rebook him?
Yeah, I can, but it will be a fee.
Rebook him upstairs or downstairs? Want to do it upstairs or how do you want to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, so let's go get rebooked for tomorrow.
No. Right now. I need to get back right now.
Oh no.
Oh my God. So yeah, what? Tell me.
You're finna get rebooked. They're gonna rebook you for tomorrow.
Rebook for what?
Cause you're not flying out tonight.
Oh really?
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 Yep.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Don't worry. Do whatever you want. It's alright. Where's my nunchucks? My nunchucks. Where are they? Where are they? I practice with them.
Only when
Where are they?
when they tell them to leave.
Huh?
Tell them to leave. Huh? They're doing it. Fix it.
Where are they?
You got it. Put them on this so I can handcuff him.
Where are they?
I got one. Put your hands behind your back.
Hey,
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting.
Keep your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting.
Stop
resisting.
Keep your hands behind your back.
Yeah, whatever.
Stop resisting.
You got him?
I clicked in, but
Okay. Let's go.
hold on, I gotta type a little more.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Oh my God. That's why.
Take him down the airway.
Well, I don't want to take him down the stairs.
You guys did such a
Okay, do me a favor, listen.
Oh really?
Tomorrow,
Oh, really?
tomorrow, you could fly. Right now, I'm gonna just take you to come down.
Oh my God.
You still want to fly tomorrow?
You know what? Whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
it's so very wrong.
Okay.
Whatever you're doing is so very wrong. I love that.
Listen, we
Thank you.
got family, we got kids here.
Yeah.
So just do me a favor.
Yeah. This is so very wrong.
Well,
Because you shoot guy.
It's your attitude. It's your attitude, man.
Oh my
Yeah, it's your attitude. See what happens when you got a bad attitude? When you try to drink before you go on the flight, see what happened to you?
whatever.
Okay?
give his ID.
Yeah, it's alright.
You got it. Yeah.
No, oh my God, they're gonna hurt me. Oh my God.
Stop acting a fool.
Oh
I'm not hurting you.
Oh my God.
Stop being stupid.
Oh shit.
Stop screaming.
Oh my God.
Stop acting like a kid.
Shit.
Sir, you're
Oh
intoxicated.
my God. What? Shit, whatever. This, I will not ever come here to this airport ever again.
Let's take him out here.
Don't
Take
worry.
him out here.
Here?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, take him.
I will come back here.
Sir, you get a walk.
Hey. Okay.
You want to come back and talk? You're gonna trespass him?
Yeah, I haven't come to one anyway. So.
That boy is drunk. drunk, man. Makes no sense to be acting like that, man. I really don't understand how there's always problems at the airport, man. When I go, I'm just mind my own business, in and out, boop. I don't want to talk to nobody, nothing. Gosh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.